How to backtest your order flow trading strategies. This is the topic that we will cover in this video. My name is Luke, head of trading from Lunar Trading Academy, and in this video we will dive into ATAS replay mode, what it is and how to effectively use it in your advantage. ATAS replay mode is a feature of an ATAS platform which allows you to backtest your volume strategies, along with volume profile, along with min delta, max delta, and for example final delta. This feature also allows you to connect your demo account so you can test and backtest your order flow trading strategies with demo money. So thanks to that, you will see your PNL in real time. With ATAS, you can also backtest level 2 data, so you can backtest tape or for example depth of the market. And everything I just mentioned will be covered in this video. So first of all, we need to set up ATAS, and then I will show you which strategy I'm currently backtesting. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to download ATAS. Keep in mind that replay feature is part of the paid plans, but the cheapest one will do just fine. I've put a affiliate link in the video description where you can sign up for free trial. Next, you'll just install the app and log in. As for the Workspace setup, you can choose your chart type under the Learn tab. You can open footprints, TPO charts, and so on and so forth. I personally use my own custom preset, which includes volume profile, a 4-hour price action chart, a 5-minute price action chart with the VWAP, and 5-minute footprints. This preset is available to my students in my masterclass. Part of the masterclass is completely free, so if you are interested, I leave a link for you in the description of this video. All you have to do is upload this preset to your Workspace tab and it will load the exact same setup as you're seeing right now. One important thing about replay mode is that it will sync and play back all the charts you have open in your preset. In my case, all 4 windows will be active during the replay mode. So now, how to turn on this powerful feature. In the top menu, you'll see the replay window. This is where you select the instrument you want to backtest. In my case, I have Bitcoin futures open on all 4 charts, so that's the only option I see here. At the top, there's template section where you can choose specific preset. For example, selecting last day will set it to backtest only the most recent completed trading day. I usually just keep this on the default setting as I always like to define my backtest period manually. More importantly, you need to look at the market data type. This is where you choose the type of data you want to backtest. You can pick between level 2 data or standard volume bars. My strategy is based on volume and executed trades, so the first data type is definitely the best and has proven to be most reliable. So, if you want to backtest volume profiles, footprints and overall market volume, this is exactly the data type that makes it possible. Then you've got the start and end points. Keep in mind, you can't backtest sessions that's still live. This means I can't test today's data while today is still happening. I have to stick to yesterday and older sessions. Before you start replay, make sure all your charts are set to timeframes you want to backtest, because you can't switch timeframes once the replayer is running. So, if you want to test 4-hour and 5-minute charts at the same time, I recommend opening 2 charts of the same instrument, set one to 4-hour timeframe and the other to 5-minute timeframe. This will allow you to backtest 2 different timeframes in the same time, and then just simply click play. You have also the option to adjust the speed during the replay, which in my opinion is very good feature. As you can see, the replay is now running across all the charts I have open. This allows me to test 4-hour zones and in the same time watching the footprints how price behaves within those zones, all while monitoring volume areas and microstructure on a 5-minute chart. So I'm basically getting multiple perspectives on a single instrument all at the same time. Now I will show you how to use demo account and how to backtest a demo account using this replay mode feature. I personally trade absorptions, so I will demonstrate that feature on this strategy. If you don't know what is absorption, I made a separate video about this topic, so I'll leave a link somewhere up here. In this video, I cover everything about absorption, what it is and how to effectively trade it. Therefore, if you also want to benefit from this powerful order flow pattern, be sure to check out that video. So here I see high volume and range, which acts as a strong support. You can see the absorption happening. So let's say I want to test this setup and I want to test this setup with demo money. I'll select my start and end points, enter them into replay window, double check the data type and hit start. As you can see, all my windows are running in sync, so I'm getting several perspectives on this setup. I can see how the volumes was distributed, how many times the price reacted, and much more. Later on, I can place a limit by order just for demonstration, along with stop loss and take profit, so it simulates the real market very accurately. While the position is active, I also keep an eye on the volume profile, which is fully synced with all the other windows as well. In order for the demo account to work, you need to enable the crypto SIM connection in the connections section. Don't forget to do that. And if you are trading stocks or commodities, for example, instead of crypto SIM account, you need to connect either a demo account from your broker or an ATAS SIM account. And yeah, that's basically everything you need to know about this powerful tool called ATAS Replay Mode. I hope you found some value in this video and that this video helped you at least a bit. If so, please consider subscribing this channel and liking this video, because these two things are for free and it helps this channel actually a ton. Also, if you like my trading approach and you wanna learn more about it, as I said in the middle of this video, I made video about absorption strategy, which goes more in depth. So if you want to continue learning, here's the video, and in case we won't see each other again, thank you so much for watching and good luck in the trading.